We will read frictional force and electrostatic force in detail in the next chapter. Some so some topic from magnetic force and gravitational force is left there. First, about magnetic force. As I told you, magnetic force is the force acting between two magnets and a magnetic substance. When two magnets are bring closer, then the magnetic force occurs there. Sometimes when we bring the magnetic object, that means the object made up of iron, cobalt and nickel, near to the magnet, then it is also get attracted towards the magnet. Magnet, the bar magnet is also there. And bar magnet is having two end, and the both end is known as, one end is known as south pole, other end is known as north pole. And one activity is here to show that magnetic force of attraction and repulsion is a non-contact force. Bring two bar magnet and a thread. Hold both the bar magnets with the north poles facing each other. That means the north pole is towards each other. What we will observe, that the bar magnet will repel each other. That means it will move further from each other, and when we will bring the opposite poles, that means south pole and north pole, towards each other, then we will see that they will attract towards each other. There will be attraction. So this shows that when the magnets are held with the same poles facing each other, they repel, and when the magnets are held with the opposite poles, they attract each other. And because this attraction and repulsion, it takes place when it is far apart, that means they are far from each other, they are not in contact, so it is a non-contact force. Next, gravitational force. It is also acting from a distance. If it is the gravity of earth or the gravitational force between two mass, then it acts from a distance because the objects are not in contact with each other. So it is also a type of non-contact force.